Critical incidences. The majority of the time, our daily practice is very routine, and since they are carried out repetitively, they give the sense that we are on automatic pilot. Everything is business as usual, and much of what occurred before will most likely continue within the rhythm of things. It isn't until something happens, which either enables and/or disables our everyday practice, that we become more conscious and aware about the situation that we are in. As such, it is important to know which critical incidences helped or hindered our performance. What is critical incidences? Critical incidences are key things that happen that have an important positive or negative impact on something. They include surprises, the unexpected, rare events when things break down, interruptions, something unanticipated, and unintended consequences, to name a few. They attract our attention because they affect our plans and routines. Example 1. You are a fighter pilot flying straight and level, twice the speed of sound, at 20,000 feet above sea level. Suddenly your instrument panel shows your plane has been missile-locked by an unknown enemy fire. You immediately bank hard right, pulling 10 Gs to avoid a direct hit. Example 2. You have been trying to impress a girl at the local gym you frequent for the past 6 months, but your efforts seem pointless. Then suddenly out of the blue she approaches you and asks for your help to spot her 50 pounds dumbbell curl. Now is your chance to make your move. Example 3. You have been planning your sales pitch to your toughest customer client for months. On the day of the meeting, your presentation is going as planned until midway, when the client shares the news that they are downsizing and only plans to purchase 30% of their original proposed order. You immediately need to improvise so as to keep the business prospects alive. Why is it important? Critical incidences are turning points. When they occur, they have important impact on the outcome, for better or for worse. Learning about what they are and why they impact your intended plans can tell us a lot about why things work and why they don't. Understand where and when they occur, so that you can better anticipate them. Exercise. How to practice and apply it. Think about a work assignment, task or project you are currently involved in. Try to identify events, situations, people, or things that have had an influence on your original plan. What type of impact did they have on the overall task at hand? Why did they have this effect on intended outcome?